दोस्तों नमस्कार, वेलकम इन our online study of mathematics. Friends, today we will discuss about the mathematics of class 10, in which chapter number 3, pair of linear equation in two variables. Friends, you see my video up to the last. I will clear all the doubts in this chapter. So let's be start. Pair of linear equation in two variables. Linear equation in two variables. First of all, we know about the linear equation in two variables. So here, an equation of the form ax plus by plus c equal to 0, where a, b, c are real numbers and a is not equal to 0, v is not equal to 0, is called a linear equation in two variables x and y. Means here are two variables x and y, and this is an equation because it have two sides, left side and right side, with an equality. Therefore this is known as a linear equation in one variable. But the necessary condition is neither a equal to 0 nor b equal to 0. The numbers a and b are called the coefficient of the equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0, and the number c is called the constant of the equation ax plus by plus c equal to 0. Let's example 2x plus 3y equal to 0 is a linear equation in two variables. Now here, pair of linear equation in two variables. So what is the pair of linear equation in two variables? So dear, two linear equation in two variables are called a pair of linear equation in two variables. Means here is the necessary condition is there are two linear equation with two variables. So the most general form of the pair of linear equations is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0. This is the first equation. And a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. This is the second equation. So these simultaneously is called pair of linear equation in two variables, where a1, a2, b1, b2, c1, c2 are real numbers, such that necessary condition is a1 square plus b1 square is not equal to 0, and a2 square plus b2 square is not equal to 0. Let's example. Here is first linear equation is 5x minus 7y equal to 0. This is a linear equation of two variable, and the 2x plus 5y equal to 0. See, therefore these two equations are known as pair of linear equation in two variables. Now the consistent system. What about the consistent system? So dear, a system of simultaneous linear equations is said to be consistent if it has at least one solution. Means if the system have one solution, means you can solve it, then the system is called consistent system. And what about the inconsistent system? So dear, next one, a system of simultaneous linear equation is said to be inconsistent if it has no solution. Means if a system have no any solution, then this is known as the inconsistent system. So dear, moving for next, methods of solution of a system. A pair of linear equation and two variables can be represented and solved by the two methods methods. First one is graphical method and second one is algebraic methods. So dear, we will discuss one by one what about these methods. First one is graphical method. So dear, graphical method, the graph of a pair of linear equation in two variables is represented by two lines. Number one, if the lines intersect at a point, then that point gives the unique solution of the two equations. In this case, the pair of equation is consistent. Means if two lines are intersect to each other, it means the system have only unique solution, and this is known as a consistent. And second one, if the lines coincide, then there are infinitely many solutions, each point on the line being a solution. In this case, the pair of equation is dependent, that is consistent. Means if two lines have coincident, then it has so many solutions, and this is also known as a consistent system. And next one, if the lines are parallel, then the pair of equation has no solution. In this case, the pair of equation is inconsistent. So there are three conditions in the graphical method. First one, two lines will be intersect to each other, and second one, two lines are coincident, and third one, both lines are parallel. In the third case, the solutions are not there, so it is known as inconsistent. So dear, next one we will clear the doubt one by one. So let us example number 1. Let a system x minus 2y equal to 0. This is the first equation, and 3x plus 4y equal to 20. This is the second equation. So dear, from equation first and second we get the values of x and y. From the equation number 1, you can see that x minus 2y equal to 0 means if you put y equal to 0, then totally it is 0, it gives x equal to 0. And when you put y equal to 1, then you will get x equal to 2. And from the equation number second, 3x plus 4y equal to 20 means if you put y equal to 5, 4 5s are 20, and 20 cancelled out. So x equal to, you will get 0. And when you put y equal to 2, then 2 4s are 8, and 8 transposed to the right hand side, then 20 minus 8 means 12. Therefore x equal to 12 by 3. 12 by 3 means 4. So these are the values of x and y. We will represent or plotting these points on the graph. When you plotting these points on the graph, then you will get two lines. First one is x minus 2y equal to 0, and second one is 3x plus 4y equal to 20. And these two lines intersect a point, and this intersection point is called the solution of the system. So the perpendicular distance from the x-axis is 4, and the perpendicular distance from the y-axis is 2. Therefore, the solution from the graph is x equal to 4 and y equal to 2. So let us the second example. Let a system 2x plus 3y equal to 9. This is the equation number 1. And 4x plus 6y equal to 18. This is the equation number 2. From the equation first and second we get the values of x and y. From the equation number 1, you can see that when you put y equal to 3 here, so 3 3s are 9, and 9 and 9 cancelled from the both sides. Therefore, you will get x equal to 0. And when you put y equal to 0 here, so totally is 0. Therefore, x equal to 9 by 2. 9 by 2 means 4 and a half, that is 4.5. And from the equation number second, when you put the y equal to 3, y equal to 3 means 6 3 is 18, 18 and 18 cancel. therefore you will get 0. And when you put the value of y1, that's 6 into 1, that is 6, and transpose this 6 to right side, that is minus 6. 18 minus 6 means 12, and 12 divided by 4 means 3. Therefore this is the values of x. So these are the values of x and y from the whole system. We will represent these values on the graph. Therefore we will get, on plotting these points on the graph, we will get a graph. So dear, in this graph we can see that both equations are coincident. It gives the line coincident, that is 2x plus 3y equal to 9, this is the line, and 4x plus 6y equal to 18, also the same line. So the system is known as the coincident line, and in this case this gives an infinite solution because every point of this line is called the solution. So next one, let us example number 3. So once again we take another system, that is x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0. This is the equation number 1, and 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. This is the equation number 2. On solving these equations, we will get finally the values of x and y. In this case, when you put y equal to 2 in here, equation number 1, when you put the y equal to 2, then 2 2s are 4, plus 4 and minus 4 is cancelled, so you will get x equal to 0. And when you put y equal to 0, then transpose 4 to the right hand side, that is x equal to 4. So this is the values of x and y. And from the equation number 2, when you put y equal to 3 in this place, 4 3 are 12, and 12 positive and negative both are cancelled out. Therefore you will get the values of x equal to 0. And when you put the y equal to 0 here, so this is totally 0. Now transpose this 12 to right hand side, therefore you will get 2x equal to 12, means x equal to 6. So these are the values of x and y. Now plotting these values on the graph paper, we will get two lines such that both lines are parallel. This is the first line, that is x plus 2y minus 4 equal to 0, and this is the second line, 2x plus 4y minus 12 equal to 0. So both lines are parallel. In this case, the system have no solution, and in second way, we can say that the system is inconsistent. So dear, moving for the second one, algebraic interpretation of pair of linear equation in two variables. Let us consider a pair of linear equation represented by these lines a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So we can observe only from observing from these two equations the condition of lines. If the ratio of the coefficient a1 of x, ratio of the coefficient of x and the ratio of coefficient of y is not equal to 0, then the pair of linear equation has exactly one solution, that is the unique solution. And if the ratios of coefficients all are equal, then the pair of linear equation has infinitely many solutions, means the lines are coincident. And third case, if the ratio of the coefficients are equal and the ratio of constant are not equal, then the pair of linear equation has no solution, means lines are parallel to each other. So without plotting the points on the graph, we can observe the finally answer by the ratios of the coefficient in these three cases. First one, this is the unique solution, and second one, the lines are coincident, means infinite many solutions, and third one, lines are parallel, means no solution. And second one results from the pair of linear equations. So let us this is a system, that is pair of linear equations. If a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, then the lines intersecting and have unique solution. And for the second one, if the all issues are equal, then the lines are coincident and infinitely many solutions. And for the third, if the ratio of coefficients are equal but ratio of constant are not equal, therefore lines are parallel and have no solution. So these are the result observing from the system by the finding the ratio of the coefficient and the ratio of the constant. So remember it. Now second one, algebraic method of solving a pair of linear equations. So first one, we have to understand the solution by the graphical method, and second one is algebraic methods. So dear, how can you know about the algebraic methods? So there are three methods we can solve all the system by algebraic method. First one is substitution method. So dear, how can you understand this substitution method? Following are the steps to solve the pair of linear equation by substitution method. So dear, first one, step number first, let us consider these are the system, that is a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 first equation, and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0, this is the second equation. So the step number first, pick either of the equation and write one variable in term of other. Means B can choose any one equation and find the value of one variable by transposing method. After that, substitute that value in the other one. If we find from here, then we put the value in the equation number first, and if we find the value of the variable is from the equation number first, then we will put the value in the second equation. Step number 2. So let us have to find y equal to this in the term of x. Now we substitute this value of y in equation number second. Second one is a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So we put this value in the equation number second. Then we get the value of x. Step number third, substitute the value of x in equation number third. When we find the value of x, then we will put here, that is the equation number third, and then we will get the values of y. So this is the solution of that system. So let us understand with an example. Let us one system is 7x minus 5y equal to 2. This is the equation number 1, and x plus 2y equal to 3. This is the equation number 2. So we will select any one equation. Let's equation number 2 we have to select. Then we will find the value of one variable. From equation number 2 we get x equal to 3 minus 2y, means 2y transpose to the right side. Then we will get x equal to 3 minus 2y. This is the equation number 3. After that, we substitute this value in the equation number 1, because we have to find the value of x from the equation number 2. So we will put this value in equation number 1. So what you get? Let's see here. When we put the value of x, this 3 minus 2y, so replace x by this value 3 minus 2y, and minus 5 by same to same equal to 2. Then 7 3s are 21, and so transpose this 2 to left side. So 21 minus 2, that is 19, and my 7 2s are 14, minus 14 and minus 5 by minus 14 by minus 5 by, that is 19 by. So the 19 y equal to 19, and we will get final answer y equal to 1, because transpose to 19 to right side. Therefore we will get y equal to 19 by 19, that is y equal to 1. Now substitute this value of y in equation number 3. This is the equation number 3. So we will put the value of y, that is 1 here. So we will get x equal to 3 minus 2y. X equal to 3 and minus 2y. Y means 1. So 2 into 1. Then we will get x equal to 1. Hence the solution x equal to 1 and y equal to 1. So dear, this is the substitution method. Clear? What is the method? You will select any one equation out of these two and find the value of any one variable. Like in this question, we have to find the value of x. So this is 3 minus 2y. Now the value of x we will substitute in the first equation in this place. Then we will get the value of y. Now when we get the value of y, then we put here in the equation number 3rd. Finally, we will get the value of x. Therefore, the both value we have to get easily. So this is the solution of this system. Now next one, elimination method. So how can you solve the system by elimination method? So dear, let's following are the steps to solve the pair of linear equations by elimination method. So dear, step number 1. First, multiply both the equation by some suitable non-zero constant. So we make the coefficient of one variable, either x or y, numerically equal. Means our aim is to make the any one variable with the same coefficient by multiplying by a non-zero constant. And second step, so dear, second number, then add or subtract one equation from the other so that one variable gets eliminated. After that, according to the system, either we will subtract both equation or we add both equation. Then one variable cancelled out, means totally eliminated. And we will get the answer of one variable, that is the value of one variable. And after that, step number 3, solving this equation of one variable x or y, so obtain to get its value. And step number 4, substitute the value of x and y in either of the original equation to get the value of other. Two equations you have, then you will substitute the value of x or y which you find in the step number 3rd, any one of any given equations. So now dear, let us understand with an example. Let's two equations x plus y equal to 5. This is the equation number 1st, and 2x minus 3y equal to 4. This is the equation number 2nd. So first of all, we will observe here the coefficient of x and y. If we multiplied here by 2, then the coefficient of x will be equal, and if we multiplied here in equation by 3, then we will get the coefficient of y are equal. So select any one. Let's be select y, coefficient of y. So we will multiply it in equation number 1 by 3. Multiplied 1 by 3. Then to make the coefficient of y equal, then we will get the equations h. When you multiply it by 3 in equation number 1st, then 3x plus 3y equal to 3 5s are 15. And equation number 2 you will write same to same, that is 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Now you can observe here the signs of coefficient of y's are opposite. When the sign are opposite, then you will add both equation. If the sign are same, then you will subtract both equation to each other. But here in this case, the sign of the coefficient of y's are different, that is opposite. So we will adding equation 3 and 4. And when you add equation 3 and 4, then 3y plus and 3y minus cancelled out. And 3x plus 2y will be add. So 3x plus 2y means 5x and 15 plus 4 means 19. So we will get 5x equal to 19. That means transpose to 5 right hand side x equal to 19/5. Now you substitute this value of x equal to 19/5 in any one equation. So we substitute in equation number 1. So equation number 1 is 5. In the place of x we will put 19/5 and then transpose this 19/5 to the right side. You will get y equal to 5 minus 19/5. Now 5 5s are 25 minus 19 means 6/5. So this is the solution, means x equal to 19/5 and y equal to 6/5. So this is the solution. So dear, these are the steps of elimination method. So what's the important point? You make the coefficient of x, otherwise y, to same and then add and subtract. Either add or subtract. You will get the value of one variable, and after getting the value of one variable you substitute in any one equation, that is the original equation. So dear, moving for next one, let's cross multiplication method. Following are the steps to solve the pair of linear equation by cross multiplication method. Let us the system a1x plus b1y plus c1 equal to 0 and a2x plus b2y plus c2 equal to 0. So dear, we will write it as x upon b1 c2 minus b2 c1 equal to y upon c1 a2 minus c2 a1 equal to 1 upon this one. And by comparing first and last, you will get x equal to this value, and the second and last you will get the y equal to this value. So let us, this is the equation number 3. Or this is it is not necessary to remember it. We will simply let us this system, and you will write all the coefficient just like that. First of all b1 and b2, after that constant term c1 c2 and the coefficient of x, that is a1 a2, and after that once again you repeat the coefficient of y first and last. So by multiplication b1 c2 and then put negative sign b2 c1 and x is just here. So x divided by b1 c2 minus b2 c1, and here is y. So y divided by c1 a2 and minus c2 a1, because this arrow is just opposite. After that 1 upon 1 is last one is the constant, so you will write the 1 upon a1 b2 minus a2 b1. So this diagram will help you. So the step number 1, how can you solve the equation by the cross multiplication method? So here the necessary condition is write the given equation in the form of 1 and 2, means right hand side should be 100% 0, applying cross multiplication method. And the second step, taking the help of the diagram, we will take the help of this diagram, find the equation number 3, which you see in the previous. After that, find the value of x and y, and provided a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is neither 0. If it is 0, then system have no solution. So this is the steps. Let us understand this method by a example. Let's say system, that is 2x plus y minus 5 equal to 0. This is the equation number first. And then 3x plus 2y minus 8 equal to 0. This is the equation number second. So dear, we will write it as x upon, so dear, this is 1 2. 1 2 means this is the coefficient of y, that is 1 and 2. After that minus 5 minus 8, this is the constant term serially, y constant term, again x. So dear, minus 5 minus 8, that is the constant term, and after that 2 and 3, and after that 2 3 and 1 2. Then you will multiply this, you will get x upon minus 8 minus 10 y equal to this, because 5 3s are 15, so it is minus 15, and 2 8 16 minus 16, and this. So you will get x equal to 2 and y equal to 1 equal to 1, because 1 upon 4 minus 3, so you will get 1. So this gives you first and last x equal to 2 and the second and last, that is y equal to 1. So this is the solution of the given equation. तो दोस्तों, हमारा ये वीडियो अंत तक देखने के लिए आपका बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, और हमारे इस चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और कमेंट करना बिल्कुल मत भूलिए, और हमारे इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लीजिए ताकि हमारा ये वीडियो आप तक सबसे पहले पहुंचे।